In today's tutorial, we'll be making lapel pins for men. So let's get started. I have this fabric folded, so I'm going to make circles. I'm going to use this to make circles on this fabric. I'm using a pink pencil, no, a pink pen, so that you can see the lines. So also go ahead and do that on the felt fabric. The next thing I'll do is to cut out the circles I traced out. This is what I have here. I have this. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut out a base for this lapel pin. So I'll use this 5 cents to, I just need something smaller than this. After cutting the base, the next thing I'll do is to remove this pin here, and somewhere down here I'll put it there and try to centralize it. Then I'll apply a bit of glue here and stick it. Yeah. So from there, we'll start fixing this. So, and I need to mention here that the kind of fabric you will use, you need to make use of like 100% ankara fabric, like a fabric that you won't even be able to differentiate between the right side and the wrong side. As you can see in this case, it's hardly, I have to check very well to know the right side and the wrong side. So you want to make sure that you're using that kind of fabric. So from checking, I don't even know, I'm just going to take a side and use, like, so I'm going to like put a bit of this here, fold it this way and this way, then just a bit. Just a bit. Yeah. The next one, a bit at the middle. And a bit here. Then you may want to add a bit, just a bit. So far, this is what I have here. So I can decide to continue and finish up with fabric, but I want to decorate this. I want to decorate this with this pearl bead. So I'm just gonna put a bit of glue here and drop the bead and allow it to dry. So this is the front and this is the back.